Modern humans emerged around 0.3 million years ago, but it's not more than 250 years now. Humans have been burning coal, oil and gas for energy. Exploitation of these resources made the Industrial Revolution possible, yet the world is paying a huge price for this development. Carbon dioxide is an important greenhouse gas. The causes behind major carbon emissions are human. Carbon dioxide gets released into the atmosphere after everyday human processes. In only 250 years, the quantity of carbon emissions has increased by an alarming rate of more than 40%. Carbon emissions from human activities have caused the concentration to go up from 275 ppm to 410 in 2020. In the last 250 years, our global temperature has risen by 1%. The average global temperature in 2019 was about 1.1 degrees Celsius. With current trends, there is little hope to limit remaining under 2 degrees. In comparison to the averages reported between 1981 to 2010, the increase of temperature was 2.7 degrees. Since 1948, the yearly average temperature in Canada has risen by an estimated 1.7 degrees Celsius, with an additional 2.3 degrees Celsius increase in the north. As humans continue to pour greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, it is taking a toll on our oceans, causing the sea level to rise. In 9 northeastern districts of Bangladesh, around 7.2 million people have been affected by devastating flash floods. Some 60,000 women in the affected areas are pregnant. Of them, some 6,500 will give birth in the next month. With primary health care centers submerged and non-functional, most of these women have limited or no access to health care. That's not all. Carbon emissions are dangerous in that way, which can threaten the livelihood of our planet. inEarth is a platform developed to identify current situations of climate issues like carbon dioxide concentration, AQI, and forecast the future estimation of these parameters in both global and national levels. According to the Paris Accord, it is our immediate concern that the increase in temperature should be in check to sustain biological entities globally. That is where inEarth arrives. Forecasting future conditions would bring an immediate concern for all stakeholders. inEarth can measure the vegetation coverage of a country based on normalized reference vegetation index data and predict the required amount of greeneries to mitigate the climate issue. This will highly impact the corresponding situation of global warming, carbon dioxide concentration, and other related factors. The issue concerning carbon dioxide requires awareness and control. The prediction of transportation carbon emission from spatial data can provide an estimation required to take localized actions such as higher carbon tax. Even if emissions of carbon dioxide stopped altogether, it would take many thousands of years for atmospheric carbon dioxide to return to pre-industrial levels. Our unique platform will enable a way to develop a better sustainable Earth with a goal to mitigate the effects of climate change.